Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out on Ladder. So logging out of the Ladder app is quick, but the option is hidden in the settings. So actually guys, what you want you to do is to go and tap on your profile picture or profile icon that's located at the top right corner of the app's main home screen. So right here, and then go and tap on the gear icon that's located at the top right, so in the same place. And here we are inside the settings. So just go ahead and scroll the way down till you can see the logout option. And now just tap it and tap on logout right here to confirm or confirm when prompted. So if you don't see this option or the logout option, you will need to look at your account instead of settings. So right here. Okay, and even you can just go with profile and personal details and scroll to find the Android. And you can't just scroll all the way down, so it's usually at the very bottom, just to make sure. Okay, so it's right here. And if you still can't see it, just update the app because the older versions sometimes hide it. So it's important to note that logging out does not delete your account, and your workouts and progress are saved in the cloud, and even you can log back in anytime with your email or Apple and Google login. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.